I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming what you need: a Newgrounds account and either the updated browser or the Newgrounds Player app. Once done, enable Flash support or choose HTML5 playback and allow necessary permissions so content runs. Make sure pop-ups and site cookies are permitted. Sign into your Newgrounds account, then navigate to the artist or upload page, or open the player and select the file or paste the URL. This gets you into the player quickly and reliably. You now configure playback to match your system and content. First, set resolution, quality, and audio levels from the player controls so performance is balanced. Higher quality costs CPU. Once configured, use keyboard shortcuts, space to pause, arrows to scrub or nudge volume, to navigate efficiently. If you see stuttering or sync drift, switch rendering modes or lower quality, and make sure background tabs or heavy apps are closed. These steps optimize smooth playback and prevent common mid-session failures. You finish by saving preferences and exporting any settings or bookmarks so your setup is repeatable. Once done, run a quick test playback to confirm smooth audio and visuals. If issues remain, try the standalone Newgrounds player or a different browser to isolate the problem. Make sure you update graphics drivers and the player and close conflicting apps. If playback still fails, clear the browser cache and disable extensions one by one. This single troubleshooting step often.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.